learning and unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So we can get right into it. So supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning are the three main types of machine learning, the three general categories. So in supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning that the correct output label is provided for each example in the training data. So the goal of supervised learning is to learn the mapping between input and output variables. Common applications of supervised learning include image classification, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Unsupervised learning, the model is trained on unlabeled data, meaning the correct output is not provided for each example in the training data. The goal of unsupervised learning is to find patterns or relationships in data without being told what the correct output should be. So common applications of unsupervised learning include anomaly detection, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning. So in reinforcement learning, the model interacts with an environment and receives rewards or punishments for certain actions. The goal of reinforcement learning is to learn a policy which is mapping from states to actions that maximizes the cumulative reward. Common applications of reinforcement learning include robotics, game playing, and autonomous navigation. Each type of machine learning has its own unique advantages and limitations, and the choice of which to use depends on the problem being solved and the available data. So those are the three types of machine learning, and if you get anything out of this video, hit the like button. I'm going to go all into detail about this sort of stuff in subsequent videos. Thank you for watching.